students. We are in physics class. Welcome to our physics class. Last 2 days we start the chapter science and in importance, and totally we finish this chapter. Very little chapter this one's. Last day what we learned? We learned about the physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter, energy and their interaction, and the importance of physics. What importance of physics also we learn from these chapters. As a transport, what importance are there? Electricity, communication, space exploration, these importance we are reading. And today we read about what is mechanics, a study of interactions between matter and the forces acting on it. That is mechanics, the branch of physics where we read these things. The name is given here, acoustics, the study of sound, that is optics, the study of behavior of light. Astronomy, the study of universe beyond the earth atmosphere. Thermodynamics, the study of heat and its interaction with energy and work. Electromagnetism, the study of electricity and magnetism. Nuclear physics, the study of atomic nucleus. These are the different branch of science where we read about this, about the part of the physics. This is we discuss it like the optics. In optics, the behavior of light, we read details in this part. So these are that ones. Now we come to the exercise, fill in the blanks. In your study material you will get the everything, every question's answer and fill in the blanks. Everything I will give you in the study material. Now I discuss it in the video class. If there will be any problem in live class, you ask me, I will give the answer. The systematic study of natural world through observation and experiment is known as science. What is science? The systematic study of natural world through dash and dash observations and experiments is known as science. The branch of science that deals with the study of plants is known as botany. The branch of science that deals with the study of plants is known as botany. The branch of physics that deals with the study of electricity and magnetism is known as electromagnetism. The study of sound is known as acoustics. Now the answer the following in short. What do you understand by the term science? The systematic study of that answer also I will supply you in with the study material. In the study material, if you want, you can download and keep it in a file as a physics file. Otherwise, you make a copy for physics, one single copy only. You make a copy and copy the questions with answer. If you don't want to copy the questions, it is not compulsory. You can only copy the answer. What do you understand by the term science? The systematic study of natural world through observations and experiment is known as science. What is the purpose of using the scientific method in the systematic way to ask questions and find their answers through observations and experiment is the purpose of using the scientific method. What is the purpose of using scientific method? In the systematic way to ask questions and find their answers through observation and experiment is the purpose of using the scientific method. Next, what are the different steps involved in the scientific method? Steps are identifying the problem, doing background research, developing a hypothesis, experimentation and verification, organizing data, drawing conclusion or putting a theory, applications in technology. These are the steps. What are the steps? Again I am telling you: identifying the problem, doing background research, developing a hypothesis, experimentation and verification, organizing data, drawing conclusion or putting a theory, applications in technology. These are the different steps involved in a scientific method. Next questions: what role is played by physics in communication? At the press of a few buttons, we are able to talk to people living in the distant places and send them messages. By using satellites and supercomputers, we are now able to get detailed weather forecast. These are the role played by physics in communications. What are the role played by physics in communication? At the press of a few buttons, we are able to talk to people living in distant places and send them messages. By using satellites and supercomputers, we are now able to get detailed weather forecast. Okay, so this is the chapter science and in its importance. We learn the different branches of physics, different branch like electromagnetism. We read details their electric current and magnetism chapter, and in the chapter of optics we learn about the many things about the lights, many characteristics of the lights. Like this way, different branches of physics are there. We have to know the names of that branches. Some short questions, fill in the blanks. What fill in the blanks we learn. Not only these ones, we can do the fill in the blanks from the chapter also. I will give you as an example in your worksheet. I will give you. So it is not that in the exercise what fill in the blanks is there, what true false is there, only that will come in the exam. It is not that. You have to read the chapter thoroughly, line by line. You have to read from the chapter, then you can able to give the short questions answer. In MCQ questions in worksheet I will give you, you practice from now, then you are able to understand and you are able to give the answer of the pre-half yearly unit test. After that, what we discussed few short question answer. Here the short question answer we have to learn, because we don't know what will be the situation in our society, We will give the exam in pen and paper or online. We don't know now. Nobody can say from now. So we have to practice the 2-3 lines questions answer before pre-half yearly unit test. If there will be pen and paper exam, then you will get that type of questions in the exam. Otherwise, online exam means only the MCQ type of questions. So both we have to practice, both we have to learn for our exam. We prepared ourselves like that way. Anyway, there will be the exam, we can give the exam very nicely. Okay, today up to this, next class, in next day class, we start the new chapter. Okay, bye bye today.